Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix password doesn't match in Apple ID problem on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new password but you're having the issue that your password doesn't match. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens whenever your password is different on your upper password and from your lower password. So you have to make sure that you have entered same password as well as in upper section and in the lower section, and after that you'll not find the issue. Or if you're having any issue in creating a new password, so you can try to create a strong password with including an uppercase letter, a lowercase, a number, and you have to also avoid to use your own name or any character, any sequence, or any guessable word in your password. So in this way you can easily fix the issue if your password doesn't match an Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.